In today's video, I'm going to talk about symptom number 5, the 20 symptoms of a toxic culture, where people take little initiative and merely wait around to do what they're told. Do you have a corporate culture where people just sit around and wait to be told what to do? Waiting on instructions is toxic because it weakens the system. No one uses their creativity to solve problems. Leaders who are weak on boundaries fail to clarify who owns what, who's responsible for what, who's the directly responsible person. Nobody is. When people lack initiative, it just tends to make managers overwhelmed, owners too busy. Managers and owners and leaders make decisions for people who should be making decisions for themselves that are on the front line. I've seen examples of command and control leaders where they didn't want people to be free thinkers. They didn't want people to be empowered. And this type of culture can be literally a miserable place to work because nobody has any freedom. You're not free. You just wait around, do what you're told like a robot. And that's really toxic for the system. It's not good for the system.